I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials: power and connection. First, make sure the Xbox controller has fresh charge or batteries, because low power prevents pairing. Then enable Bluetooth on your PC from settings right arrow Bluetooth and devices. If you prefer wired, plug a good USB cable into the controller and PC. Once done, press the controller's Xbox button to wake it. Then hold the pairing button until the light flashes. This puts it into discoverable mode for the next step. Now pair the controller to the PC. For Bluetooth, choose Add Device right arrow Bluetooth and click Xbox Wireless Controller. When it appears, Windows will connect and configure drivers automatically. If you're wired, the system should install drivers as soon as you plug in. Make sure Device Manager shows the controller under Human Interface Devices. If using the Xbox wireless adapter, plug it into USB, press its pairing button. Then press the controller's pairing button. Wait until both LEDs stay solid to confirm connection. Finish by testing the controller in the Xbox Accessories app or launch a game to confirm buttons and sticks respond. If inputs are off, calibrate in Windows or update controller firmware via the app. If pairing fails, unpair and retry, restart Bluetooth, or update Windows and controller drivers. These fixes resolve most issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if you experience lag or dropouts, switch to a wired connection or the Xbox wireless adapter and move away from USB 3.0 devices or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.